Hey guys, you're welcome to another math class today. Our topic is division. I am Mrs. Adiola. So this is the sign for division. So whenever you're given a number, let's say 35 divided by 5. So that means you have 35, then you put the division sign and write the number you used to divide it. So this is the sign for division. What is division? Division means sharing things into equal groups. 4 divided by 2. We count 4 and place it in 2 groups each. So what do we have? We have 2. So 4 divided by 2 is 2. 4 apples. Share it into 2 groups so that in each group we have the same thing with the other group. So 4 divided by 2 gives us 2. So let's take a look at this example. 6 divided by 3. 6 divided by 3. What does it mean? It means the total number of items to be divided is 6. And you should divide it in the number of 3 groups. Then in each groups, how many items will be in each group? So 6 items distributed into 3 groups with 2 items each. So 6 divided by 3 is 2. So it means that when 6 items is divided into 3 groups, in each group we have 2 items. So 6 divided by 3 is 6. So let's give it a try. 35 divided by 7. The total of numbers of items to be divided is 35, and the number of groups is 7. So how many items will be in each group? So let's find out. So as we can see, the items have been distributed or shared into 7 groups equally. So the total number in each group is 5. In the first group we have 5, second group we have 5, up to the 7th group. So 35 divided by 7 is 5, which also means that 5 times 7 is 35. The reverse of division is multiplication. The reverse of division is multiplication. 35 divided by 7 is 5. 5 times 7 is 35. So I want us to practice this on our own. 15 divided by 5 and 10 divided by 2. Kindly drop your answer in the comment section. So guys, thank you for watching. I hope you've learned something today. Do you have any question? Drop it in the comment section. See you next time. Bye.